Did you know 5 men vanished into the Sierra Nevada mountains in 1978, and nobody has ever explained why they drove up there in the first place? It was February. Jackie Huet, Ted Wire, Bill Sterling, Jack Madruga, and Gary Goodwin had just watched a basketball game in Marysville, California. They got in Jack's car and headed home. But somewhere along the way, they turned east into the mountains. Their car was found stuck in snow near Yuba Pass. No signs of panic. No obvious reason to be there at all. 8 months later, Ted was found dead inside a Forest Service ranger station. He had been alive for weeks. The station was unlocked. There was food. There were supplies. He starved anyway. The other 4 were found miles apart, scattered across the mountains. Here is what makes this case so strange. Ted had no way of knowing that station existed. Nobody can explain how he found it. No drugs, no foul play, no motive. Just 5 men who drove into the mountains and never came back.